All right, now it's time to stop and think a bit. All right, here we go. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. We're talking about Polygon, formerly Matic, or everyone was saying formerly Matic, but it makes more sense previously Matic. But I heard a lot of people saying formerly Matic, like it's only Matic when it's at nighttime at dinner or something. But look at Matic. It's like at 57 cents. Let's click on it. This thing's been going crazy. And should you buy it? Should you invest in it? I'm not. Well, I am a financial advisor, but this is not financial advice. I mean, you want me to be your financial advisor? You have to pay me because, I mean, I can't be giving out. There's rules and stuff to being a financial advisor. I had to sign some papers and stuff, and you have to sign some papers and stuff like that. There's just rules to the game. But I am a financial advisor, but this is not financial advice. But anyway, let's talk about Polygon some. All right. Wow, can you see this? Can you see that? This is insane. What is the daily? No, this is the all-time chart. Look at this. We're hitting all-time highs now. Look at this. That's an all-time high. 56 cents? Wow. And let me tell you, the news is going to get even better. I think Matic is going to keep. No, did I just say Matic? I think Polygon is on the rise. Do you want me to tell you what Polygon is? I could tell you. I could explain it to you. Actually, I'm going to let my girlfriend explain it to you. She's kind of smart. And let me take a break. All right, baby. Tell them about Polygon.
We are Matic Network, and we are excited to
No,
announce
you're
that we
previously
are achieving our
Matic.
mission
She's
and
stupid
becoming
sometimes.
Polygon, the Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. We started Matic in 2017 with a mission to make Ethereum infrastructure ready for mass adoption. And there's a lot we have done to accomplish this. We implemented two popular scaling architectures, Matic POS Chain and Plasma Chains, onboarded 80 plus applications, powered 5 million plus transactions
That's a
for
lot.
200,000 user addresses, and we are securing 55 million plus of our users' funds.
Wow.
Along the way, we also learned a lot, and those findings inspired us to create Polygon. Polygon is a modular framework that extends the scope of the Matic platform and transforms it into a Swiss Army knife for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure.
I like Swiss Army knives.
In addition to the currently implemented Matic POS chain and Plasma chains, Polygon will offer other major scaling architectures such as ZK rollups, optimistic rollups,
Oh, fruit
interchain
rollups.
communication protocols, bleeding edge security and data availability solutions, and more. With Polygon, Ethereum becomes a full-fledged, powerful multi-chain system, aka Internet of Blockchains. In this new paradigm, the Matic token will play an increasingly important role, securing the system and enabling governance. To make this ambitious plan a reality, the current Matic leadership and team will be augmented with
Oh,
Ethereum's
that guy owes me
top
$5.
researchers and developers, and some of the biggest names from the Ethereum community. We will be sharing more detail about the project and the team in the future, so please stay tuned and join us on this exciting journey. Let's bring the world to Ethereum.
All right, baby. That's enough now. Go get dinner ready. All right. Hopefully, you guys learned something right there. I mean, that's hopefully you guys learned a little bit about Polygon because it's not Matic no more. I don't know why they keep just delete that from the thing. Just call yourself Polygon. It's like they must got some guy that really likes Matic in the company. He like probably founded the company. Goes "No," and he just doesn't want to get rid of that name. But man, you gotta let it go. You're not Matic no more. All right. So yeah, it's like at 57 cents. Look at the rise. We'll go to 1 day. Nah, that's not good. Let's take a look at their website or something. Let's go to their Twitter or something. Or let's go to their website. Where is their website here? Yeah, Polygon. Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Yeah, I think Matic's doing pretty good because Ethereum's like gas fees are so outrageous now. So if they could, if you could just use Matic on it for Ethereum, lower down the fees, so fees are more littler because it's running on that something. You know what I mean. I'm a financial advisor. I know what I'm talking about. But let's what are we looking at on here? All right, let's go to their Twitter. Let's go. This is Polygon Technology. Let's go to their Twitter. What? Zero tweets, inactive account. That's not good. Look at that. They have a bug on their Twitter. Is this a rug pull or something? Where's that one guy named War on Rugs? I need him to investigate Polygon immediately. Look, I just clicked on Twitter, and this is what happened. It said Matic Network inactive account. Let me click on this side of Twitter. Does it do the same thing? What? Oh, War on Rugs. Come on, do some investigation here. I need your help. What else can we look at? That's not good. But anyway, let's go take a look at some charts here. Look, this is current live action. 58 cents. Oh, man. My price prediction, I don't like doing this, but my price prediction is, let me see. Ethereum's going to keep going up in price, and so is Polygon. They're both going to go up in price, and I see Polygon reaching $1. I say by the end of summer, Polygon's going to be over $1. By the end of May, let's say talk about next month. It's already basically May now. So by the end of May, it's going to reach a new all-time high in May. It's going to reach another all-time high. And, the market's kind of unstable now, but I think this is like the floor. This is the floor of the market. I think we're still really in the bull run. I think the bull run's just starting, and this is like the floor of everything. This is basically where this is, the floor. And I think everything's going to keep rising. So by the end of May, I'm seeing 70 cents for Polygon. It's going to keep on rising. Now let's take a look at some more stuff. Oh, you guys gotta check out Luna Crush. Check this out. Coin of the day. Polygon. So there you guys have it, man. Hopefully you guys learned something today. I know I sure did. Wow. Thanks for watching. Happy investing for your life.